Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to solve another task of 100 days of AWS series by KodeKloud engineer, and in today's task we need to create an IAM policy named IAM policy AMAR. In USC's one region it must allow read-only access to EC2 console, such as policy must allow users to view all instances, AMIs and snapshot in the Amazon EC2. So for this, log into AWS console, go to IAM and click on policies, click on create policy. So click on JSON, and here is the policy. So in policy we need to give actions such as describe instances, describe images, describe snapshot, describe tags, and describe get console output, get console screenshot. And we need to allow this to all users. So for this resource we use Tarek. So click on next, and the policy name is enter the policy name and create a policy. So we can view policy. So our policy is created. Now let's verify our task. Yes,